Alright, so it's finally time for another Unbox bike build video, which you guys seem to love last year, considering the amount of views these videos got. I think even one of them got over 150,000 views, which is pretty insane for my channel. But yeah, let's unbox and see what we got in here. Enjoy the ride. Alright, let's get started. Quick start guide. So you get one of these boxes with every single Canyon bike, so you get what you need to mount it. Allen key. Should be a shock pump and stuff in here. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, let's begin. Alright, let's unwrap and see what color this thing is. Ooh, look at that green. So this is the Spectral 125 in a big bamboo color, which is a nice little green matte finish. Carbon frame. Oh yeah, let's get this thing all together. User information. What language should we do? Danger. Danger. Dropper post. Trigger. Oh, bubble wrap. That worked. Cool. Alright, what's next? I think we shall mount the handlebars, so let's do this. Alright, let's put these on. Although these will be replaced with Thelander and stem, also the seat, but for now we're just gonna build it completely stock. So yeah, let's continue. Alright, so let's try to connect the dropper post with the cable here. A funny solution. So there goes the dropper cable. Alright, so we managed to figure it out. And then the dropper post trigger. Put it here on the left side. Already got the screw ready for it. And there it's on. Oh, works perfect. Alright, so let's get the front wheel on. Axle out. Front wheel in. Axle back. And yeah, clearly we need some air in this fork, and probably in the shock as well. Not as much, but yeah. Let's pump it up. Almost 100. Let's get it to 100 and then we'll see. There we go. And then what's next? I think we just have pedals left to put on, and then we can try it out. And since, once again, I don't have a bike stand here, let's flip it upside down to mount the pedals. Whoa. Let's get these on. Left one on, righty next. Right on. There we go. It's complete. Completely stock. But yeah, it looks sick. I'm into this big bamboo green color. Looks dope. And yeah, this is the new Spectral 125, which is the smaller version of the original Spectral. And it's got, yeah, like the name, 125 millimeters of travel in the rear and then 140 up front. So this should be the perfect trail bike for around here when it's not that big of mountains and stuff. Just gonna do some fine tuning and tweaks to get this all dialed. Medium-sized frame, 29-inch wheels, 125 of travel in the back, 140 in the front. And yeah, looks pretty sick. Stoked on this one. Alright, so I think that's it for now. The bike is complete, and yeah, I'm gonna do the final tweaks and tuning when I'm testing it for the first time, but for now, super stoked on how it looks, and it should be super poppy and fun. Proper trail bike. Yeah, thanks a lot to Canyon for sending me this one, and can't wait to get some riding done on this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here.